chapter number 2, location and extent. And I have already told you previous lecture also that in the whole geographical lessons, in the geography lessons or chapters or in the whole syllabus of geography, we are going to study only about two countries. That is nothing one is India and another is nothing but Brazil. So you can see here location and extent. Now few hints in the flags of two countries are given below. Using them identify these two countries. Which are these two countries? You can quickly and easily identify. This is nothing but India, because we have this Indian flag and we have Ashok chakra over here. So you can easily identify one of them, and obviously it is our flag. It is our motherland, and this flag indicates and depicts that we are Indians, and obviously every Indian, every student will obviously recognize quickly that this is Indian flag, and this flag belongs to India. It is the national flag. Okay. Now, hope you can easily identify. Now, other countries, nothing but Brazil. I already told you in the previous lecture also. We are going to study only about two countries in the whole chapters or whole geography syllabus. Nothing. First one is nothing but India, and second one is nothing but Brazil. So, okay, you can see the Brazilian flag over here, and you can understand the Brazilian flag. Just look into it, and you will understand it. Okay. So there are two flags. Now there is a comparison. In this chapter, the comparison is made between two countries. In this chapter, location and extent, there is a comparison is made between the two countries, not on economic basis or other basis, but regarding geographical location. Okay, geographical location and extent. Extent is nothing but related to longitude and latitude. Okay, longitude and latitude. On which longitudinal lines India is located, on which longitudinal. So we are going to study only about two countries, India and Brazil. Now there is a comparison is made between the India and Brazil on various things. That is in another chapter, but in this chapter, location and extent, there is a comparison made between India and Brazil on the basis of location and extent. Okay. Now you can see the information, general information given over here about India and Brazil. You can see clearly here. Now the clues are given, now hints are given about the Indian subcontinent, or sorry, Indian nation of India and nation of Brazil. Okay, now first one, the second largest populated country in the world, that you know very well. Indian population will surpass China in 2025, and we are the second largest populated country in the world. So the first thing, our first clue is the second largest populated country in the world, while Brazil is famous for samba dance. Okay, but first we will read all the clues, because there is no distinguish between. So instead of reading like a distinguish between, what you call a distinction between, we will read in a streamlined manner. So the second largest populated country in the world is India. Then second, famous for spices in the world. It was from ancient time, not just now or not just in modern time, but since ancient time, India is and India was famous for spices. Even Arab traders, European traders, okay, in ancient times, in medieval time, they came to India in search of spices. Okay, so obviously India is famous for spices in the world. And third characteristic of India is nothing but cricket, the most popular, instead of popular, I will say most popular sport in India. Even though our national game is hockey, that you know very well, national game is hockey. Hockey is rarely played all over India. Only some part of India or some people play hockey and know hockey very well. Even I know students, you don't know hockey very well, and you don't play hockey at all. But cricket, everybody played. Even girls also played cricket in their teams or in their school competitions and several places. So cricket is the popular sports here. Where? In India. These are the three characteristics of the clues or hints given about India. Now we will go to Brazil. So Brazil, first characteristic of first clue is given, famous for samba dance. When Brazil hold a carnival festival, every year they hold carnival festival, they indulge in samba dance. Samba dance is very famous. Like we have a Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, they have samba dance. So samba dance is famous all over Brazil. You may call it as the national dance of Brazil. It is nothing but the national dance of Brazil. It is not what you call that hard and fast rule, but this is the reality that Brazil is famous for samba dance. Second one, known as the coffee part of the world. Yes, Brazil is the biggest producer and biggest, instead of biggest, I will say largest producer and largest exporter of coffee. Okay, Brazil is known as the coffee pot of the world. Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world because there is a large scale production is taken in Brazil every year about of coffee. Okay, so known as the coffee part of the world, and Brazil is not only the largest producer but also exporter of coffee. Now, third one, football, the very popular sport here. Obviously, in Brazil, football is a very, you may call it soccer in European language, or in Europe they call it soccer, but in Central America or what you call that, South America, and even in India and Indian subcontinent of Asia, they call it football. So football is a very popular sports here in Brazil. There are various football clubs established in Brazil. So obviously these are the characteristics of Brazil. Now, name of the country, Republic of India. Name of the country, Republic of India. Even though generally we call it India, India is a republic. India is a republic, and you know we celebrate Republic Day on 26 Jan every year. And India became republic on 26 Jan 1950 because we have our own constitution on 26 Jan 1950. So obviously it is known as the Republic of India. Now, name of the capital that you know, New Delhi. Okay, not just called Delhi but New Delhi. Now, location, extent and boundary. India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. Now, we will go to the location and extent. We will go for location and extent. Okay, name of the country is nothing but Republic of India, and Indian capital is nothing but New Delhi. Now, location, extent and boundary. Now we will study or search about the location, extent and boundaries of India. Okay. Now, you have to refer to what is global map. You may have to refer to the world map or global map, and then you can find exact location of India. If you study only Indian map or map of India, particle or even physical, it doesn't matter. You won't understand anything. So that's why go to page number 12 and open the world map or observe the world map, and then you can see the location, extent and boundary. Now you can see here India is located in northern. Why northern? You can see here east. This is nothing but the east. This is nothing but the west. This is nothing but the north, and this is nothing but the south. Generally you understand all the direction. So India is located in the northern. Why northern? Because of equator. Because of equator. Equator doesn't pass through India. Okay? You must understand it. Equator doesn't pass to India. Now you will see, or you will say, no, it is we are located in southern hemisphere. This is not equator. This is the Tropic of Cancer. This is nothing but a Tropic of Cancer. So it is not equator. Equator only passes through this line and it goes to the part of Brazil. Okay. So when you are above the equator, then you are located in northern hemisphere. Okay. When equator, all these lines are imaginary. Whether Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, equator, or any even latitude and longitude, these lines are nothing but imaginary. It is nothing but fiction. But for the sake of convenience, for the sake of understanding, and for the sake of calculation, especially in navigation, they have to make certain calculation. They are drawing these lines. These are not actual lines. They are not real lines. These lines do not exist. These lines do not exist. But actually these are imaginary lines. These lines are nothing but the imagination. But even though they are imaginary lines, they are correct, they are perfect, and they depict the truth. What truth? About the location, extent, as well as longitude, latitude, and related to climate. Okay, so you can see the Tropic of Tropic of Cancer passes through India, and equator doesn't pass through India, but it passes through Brazil. It is not shown over here. Equator has not been shown over here, but equator passes through some part of Brazil, upper part of Brazil, you may call it Amazonas. Okay. So when any country, not just this, not just about India, but any country which lie above the equator, which lie, suppose the equator passes through it, this is not supposition, this is the reality, this is the fact, even though it is not shown over there, the equator passes through this line and it goes to the Brazil, it cut the Brazil, okay, then the country which lie, okay, the countries which lie above the equator, they are known as northern hemisphere. These countries are known as northern hemispheric countries, or these countries are lying on northern hemisphere, and that's why they have said, you can see here, India is located in northern hemisphere. India is located in northern hemisphere, while most of us say it is the southern hemisphere, or it is what you call the South India, or you will call it India is located in the southern continent, okay, or southern side, but no, it is located in northern hemisphere. Why it is located in northern hemisphere? Because imaginary line equator passes from this area, so obviously our country India lies above it. That's why I already told you, the country which lie, any country which lies above the what you call that equator, they are known as northern hemispheric country, or these countries are called that lie. These countries lie on northern hemisphere. So you can see India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere. Why eastern hemisphere? Obviously we are in the east, we are not in the west. This is the western part, this is the eastern part. You may call it Europe also is lies in the western hemisphere, but this is eastern part. That's why eastern hemisphere. Now you can see eastern hemisphere of the earth. Obviously this is the global map or world maps, obviously, of the earth. Now it is located in the southern part of Asian continent. But when you talk about the continent, when you do not talk about the world, when you do not talk about the world map or global map or globe, when you are talking only about Asian continent, then India lies southern, not southern hemisphere, but what we call that southern part. It is not southern hemisphere but southern part. India lies in northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Some part eastern hemisphere, like Arunachal Pradesh, seven sisters that you know, they are connected or they lie to the eastern hemisphere. That's why India is located in northern hemisphere and some part in eastern hemisphere. While in Asian continent, if you compare India only in Asia, then obviously it is in southern part, not southern hemisphere but southern part. So with the help of figure, find the extent of the mainland India. Find the extent of the mainland India. Okay. Now you can see the extent of mainland India. You can see the extent of mainland India. Fill the degrees values in blank spaces. Okay, so we'll fill that. Already I have filled. Now 8 degree 4 minutes north. This is nothing but the sign of minute. Okay, this is nothing but the sign of minutes. Okay, so 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. Okay, I will explain it and I will show it in the map in detail afterwards, but first we will fill it and try to grasp it a little bit. So India lies on 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north, that is latitude. It is not longitude, latitude. Okay. Now between between 68 degrees 7 minutes east, I already told you, India lies in northern hemisphere. This is nothing but the northern hemisphere. Whatever values given here related to northern hemisphere, we studied about the location, and this is extent. Location is written over here. This is nothing but the location. This is nothing but the location. And this is nothing but the extent. Understand it? Okay. So I already told you there is a wide difference, not wide difference, but there is a difference between location and extent. Location and extent are not the same. Location generally we are giving in the theoretical values. Okay. or we are speaking about it theoretically. Whatever, northern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, this is nothing but a theoretical speech, okay, or theory. This is nothing but a theory. But extent is actual part. It is nothing but the actual measurement. Not measure it, but through imaginary lines, longitude, latitude. Obviously, they measure it. That is in obviously latitude and longitude. So India, like you can see here, northern. First, India is located in northern. That's why we have north, and here also north. So 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. It is related to latitude. How to find out? Where to find out? That I will explain you in detail afterwards. Okay? And now second one. Northern, we have found out about the northern hemisphere, exact value or valuation. Now eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Now go. And between 68 degree 7 minutes east, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. This is nothing but the eastern hemisphere. So in location, we generally speak about the what you call it, the geographical location of that particular place, particular country. But that is what theoretical part. Here we are giving practical part, this mathematical part, exact location or exact measurement. Okay, so 68 degrees 7 degree east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. First we have to calculate any, whether you calculate the extent of what you call that India, Brazil or any country. First you go by latitude and then you have to go by longitude. First you have to calculate latitude and afterwards you can calculate longitude. Okay. Indra Point is the southernmost tip of India. Indra Point is not a part of Indian mainland. Mainland is this. Mainland is this. Afterwards I will show it to you. So Indra Point is the southernmost tip. It is related to near to the which island? I think Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are related to Andaman because Indra Point is near to the Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is located on 66 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Okay, you can see at the location of Indra Point, 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. Okay, parallel. Now we'll what you call that? We'll understand the map, understand the location and what you call that longitude and latitude on the map. Okay, we'll study it on the map. Thank you.